Hello guys, welcome to another UK Card Club unboxing video. Today we're unboxing this package from JP Games. It's a fair size. I'm going to crack into it and have a look at what we get. So we've got this thank you for using JP Games cardistry poker. Tells you what I've ordered. Ooh, they're in little card cases. So we have here tally-ho linoid finish. Then again in blue. We have package here. So we have a brick. Now presumably they're not going to be in these cool plastic cases, but get in there and have a look. So we have the amethyst ornate deck. So we'll start stacking these here. So we've got the tally-hos, we have the amethyst ornate deck, diamond deck, pretty cool. A second diamond deck there. Ornates in scarlet. Some Elite Edition honeybees. Some red stripe playing cards. I don't know if this is deck 1 of 2,500 or it's just saying that it's 1 of 2,500, but it's pretty cool. Some Copag 310s, cardistry cards. Some casual V2s. So we've got some Elite Edition honeybees in red. Some Club Special in red, some Club Special in blue, and the Emerald ornate deck. So that's pretty cool. Some nice decks here. Got 2 of these because I wanted to keep one intact because I like the design of the tuck case here. Thought it was pretty cool. I've already got some casual V2s, so that's the second deck of them. One in each of the colours of these. Got the 3 in the set here. Copags. 2 lots of tally-hos. The red stripe, not a bad little haul. So we've got 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 decks. I'm excited to get involved. I don't know which... I think I've got a deck of these that are open, so I might get them out, save me having to open these. These will be quite good to see how they flourish or how they shuffle. These I don't really want to open until I know more about that 2,500. These I've bought 2 open. Obviously. These 3 I'm not sure what to do with. These I don't mind opening. But I'm quite glad I got these 2 extra little card cases. Free when I ordered more than a brick's worth. Yeah, really pleased. Thanks for watching guys, and I'll catch you next time when we will be reviewing something. Take care.